which of these sets of numbers are all cube numbers? Let's have a quick look at what a cube number is. A cube number is one where it will actually, the number of things you need to make a cube. It's as simple as that. And so for this one, let's give ourselves a slightly thin, that would be, so we'll say 1 centimetre times 1 centimetre. So that makes our square times 1 centimetre deep, which makes a cube. So it is 1 times 1 times 1 makes a cube. And what's that equal? Exactly 1. So 1 centimetre, 1 centimetre, 1 centimetre makes a cube, 1 centimetre cube. Now let's do the next one. That would be 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Well done. So there we are. Let's see what it would look like. The front of our cube is 2 lots of 2. There's one lot of 2, there's the other lot of 2. And then we make it 2 deep. Not 2 deep like the bath, but 2 deep that way. And so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 little cubes on the front layer, and then on the back layer, 1, 2, that's the same one, isn't it? 3, and then tucked row behind here, 4. And so that's 4 in this front layer and 4 in the back layer, which makes 8 altogether. Now let's try the next one. We've got, that would be 3 times 3 times 3, which 3 times 3 is 9. Well done. Times 3 is, good, 27. Let's draw it out. It looks like a Rubik's Cube. There we are. 3 lots of 3 on the front. 1, 2, 3. 3 lots of 3. And then we make it 3 deep. And once again, it will make a cube. So there would be 9. Can you see 9 on the front there? So this layer has got 9. This layer has got 9. And then this layer at the back has got 9. So 3 lots of 9 is 27. Well done. Now the next one, we're going to go up to, let's make it slightly thinner, shall we? 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Good. Times 4 is 64. Well done. 64. And then the next one is, give ourselves a thinner brush than that, shall we? There. It's 5 times 5, which is 25, times 5 is 125. So those are the cube numbers that you need for 11 plus. You're not going to need any more, but if you get keen, you can learn them. So there's our cube numbers. Let's see which one of these. 25, no. 16, no. 36, no. But those are all square numbers. 5 times 5, 6, 4 times 4, 6 times 6. Let's try this one. 27, yes, that's a good one. 25, no, it's a square number. And 35 is just a number. 16, square, that's a cube, and that's a cube, but 16 isn't. 27, yes, 3 times 3 times 3, 64, 4 times 4 times 4, and 125, 5 times 5 times 5. And then these ones, 1 is, 9's a square number, and 15's just a number. So there we are. Answer was D. Well done.